Hey guys, Alex Skeen here with Keller Real Estate. It's another week. That means we got another video coming. So this week we're going to be covering the top 5 different exterior projects that buyers are looking for. Number 5. Well, number 5 is actually a new front door. Now there's 2 different categories. You can get a fiberglass door or you can get a steel door. They are a little bit different in what your cost recovery is, but buyers are looking for that new front door. It really adds to the curb appeal as you're walking up to the house. All right, number 4. So number 4, we're kind of on the same lines, but we're going to the garage. You know, buyers are really looking for a brand new garage door. They really like it, again, for the same reasons. It adds a lot of curb appeal, and they know that if the garage door is going to be nice, there's a good chance the inside is also going to be nice. So garage door, good investment to bring in more buyers. All right, number 3. So number 3 is actually putting up new siding. Now, new siding is probably the number 1 thing that can add a difference to your curb appeal. By putting new siding on, it makes the house look nice and crisp, nice and clean, and buyers really appreciate that when they're looking for a new house. All right, number 2. Number 2 is actually brand new windows. Brand new windows really attract new buyers to the house because it shows that the house is going to be a little bit more energy efficient and it's going to save them money as they live in their brand new house. So number 2, like I said, brand new windows. It's worth an investment if you're trying to attract more buyers. All right, so number 1 is actually a brand new roof. So a brand new roof is great to attract new buyers to your property because it's a very expensive item that a lot of buyers don't want to have to pay for right away after they moved in. You know, they have just bought a brand new house. They don't want to have to pay for a brand new roof right after purchasing. On the seller side, it actually is a great investment. According to the National Association of Realtors, you actually typically get 100% of your return on your money if you put a brand new roof on. Now that's not in all cases, that's on the average, but it's worth an investment if you want to bring in new buyers and potentially see a return on that investment. All right, well that's our video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, leave a comment below and let me know what exterior projects you've done recently. I'd love to hear about them. Signing off, this is Alex Skeen with Keller Williams. You guys have a great day.